To set photo as a wallpaper on a Samsung A07, you have to start by opening Gallery on your phone and now just go for any photo that you want to set as a wallpaper. For example, this one. Now, when we are here, we have to click on this icon and then we have to click to set as a wallpaper. Now, as you can see, we can decide if you want to get it on the lock screen, home screen, on both of them. So if I'm gonna select lock screen, for example, as you can see, I will get a preview after a few moments. So this is the preview how it looks, and we can still change some options, like we can actually add a frame, we can change color of this background, and that's how it looks. But if you don't like this effect, you can of course get rid of it by selecting frame and selecting no frame. And by clicking here, we can even add some effects, like for example some filters to make it look different. If you are fine with the original look of the photo, we have to click apply and done in the right upper corner.